Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. My name is Grant, also known as Guy with the Red Nikes. That is if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm at the common again to run. I told you consistency is key, so I'm gonna be consistent. It's raining at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait to die down a bit, and then I'm gonna head on out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run the whole way. I'm maybe just gonna run till the one stop and then come back. Yeah, getting slowly into it because my breathing is being hella bad. But stick around. Please like this vlog, subscribe, and join the community. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to a new day on the vlog. Aiden, tell the vlog what we're gonna go do now.
Okay, so I asked my mom for money so we can buy the new Mac Crispy
From McDonald's. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna have a little taste test for you. Aiden, you better not make dirty my car. Put in your seatbelt, boy.
I am.
You what?
I'm gonna be dirty in your car.
I just washed it, that's what I'm saying. This boy. But let's go. Let's go.
Tiffany!
The new McCrispy is here. The taste that makes any time crunch time. A crunch.
This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Time to try it. You ready? Come closer.
3,
1, 2, 1.
Wow.
Kind of like a zinger. No occasion. But the patty is softer.
And not spicier.
Yeah. Do you like it? Out of 10?
I like that crunch. 6.9 out of 10. And you?
Yeah. 6.9.
It's not quite a 7.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm super confident I'm gonna run at the Biscuit steps. I'm hoping to do 3 rounds, but the steps does tire you out, so if I can manage 2, I'll be happy. So yeah, let's go. I'll take you guys with me, but on my phone. So let's transition to phone cam. So I just finished. I managed to do 2 out of 3, which is better than 1, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna run tomorrow, but yeah, I'm happy I did it today.
Hi! Welcome to our new vlog.
Yeah. we are going to World of Birds and Imhoff.
Here's my baby brother.
Yeah, so come with us. Please like, subscribe, and
Follow.
comment. Subscribe is the follow. Yeah, comment. 9 characters or less. I can see Mario's trying to get into the vlog. Yeah. Mommy act like they remember. I'm scared to use the bathroom alone because I feel like there's gonna be a snake or something popping out.
I remember catching this one. I don't remember. That was the time. There's a lot of them. That fish is in the same spot it was. And it can breathe the air too. That fish can breathe air.
Looks like a snake with 4 legs, no?
Yeah, that's what I thought at first.
Hi, Kai.
I didn't look at all the different spiders.
There's one, Aiden, on the corner.
See his beak. That's the one that picked you in the nose. So be careful. You still think you take photos and then they just fly and come sit on your head and pick your nose. I love the layout of this one. I love the layout.
Don't
And
call
for
all
each
there,
thing
call
that
them.
they got a little write-up for you. And here you can't get lost the way the layout is.
These birds better keep themselves in check.
Look there and see, look.
This one's making a very strange sound.
Oh, cute. If only I can find that love.
It's making this weird sound. It sounds like it's burping.
It's calling Angry.
Oinking. Wally wants to vomit. Stay by that one. Stay by that one. There's a lots of rats here though. I saw one running around.
Here, Aiden.
I'm gonna let all the birds out. I'm gonna open the
We're getting further and further in.
Where's my mom? The ones that eat off is dangerous. That one will eat you up.
Bud, Emu, come.
That's what we are going.
Ron, look how he's sitting like an old man.
Old man.
He's like an old man. Look at Aiden.
Come,
What is it?
come. It's an emu.
Yeah.
Come. Dad.
Good.
Dad.
Good.
Come. Come. Dark. Dark. Darks.
Ron, what type of bird is that, Ron?
It's a dark. Say it's a dark.
Ron, what type of bird is that?
I don't know. It's a what you call it? The one that lifts his feathers up.
Ron, what type of bird is that?
The one that lifts his feathers up. A pink. Wait. Peacock. Peacock.
No, no.
Tiny ones.
There was one this tiny.
Great nuisance. So. For cook.
Must put one of these in your space pile, mommy.
Yes, I want to. I want to just.
Let's make it more colorful.
So, yeah.
Guys, it's not just a garden.
Why? What's it?
There's a few birds.
Oh.
Not much.
This is just the garden.
No, it's not just a garden, Mom. There's birds.
Wait.
Look.
Oh, there is a bird. There's two birds.
You see, it's not just a garden.
This is birds that sneak in here. This is the garden.
This was here last.
Where the monkeys is on, don't worry.
Kai Kai. Park on drive your thingy.
You can jump with you. Come here, monkey.
I think
You sit there.
let me give you the bag. Careful, they open the zips.
Oh, look at that one.
Put it here on him. Oh, look at it. Have you got it?
Oh wow. Okay. What is over it? Take it away.
There's a grey one going.
That is like a light blue, but I don't know the type.
Oh, can you not find out for me?
I'll ask the guy man. Who is off. I'll ask the guy who
Okay.
painted
Who painted the
by
table?
the farmyard. So
Okay.
not the is off.
Oh, alright, it's
I'll
off
ask
today.
him, yes.
Okay, sure. Don't worry, my friend. Daddy wanted to know. Daddy just always let me do the dirty work.
You must go to Sherwin-Williams.
Please.
Thank you, ma'am.
No.
And a fork.
Yeah.
What's this?
Somebody.
Daddy, can you pass the salt and pepper, please?
No, this looks like this. Oh, that's probably bacon.
Both are around the bacon.
Just taste it.
Daddy.
There's chicken in both of them.
It's not bacon. You can check the
What's
menu
the
again.
rocket thing?
Yeah, I see.
This.
Yeah.
You launch it. Thank you. Can I get another Savannah, please?
Mmm.
Good pizzas, crap. I say the pizzas are good pizzas.
The food is nice. In general. Hey guys, welcome back to a new day on the vlog. I'm getting ready to go down. I cut my hair, as you can see. I was for 2 days off. So yesterday, sorry, I'm watching the accountant. 2. Yesterday we went to World of Birds and Emma. You guys will see. It's like the previous day. And yeah, today I just chilled and go cut my hair because I already cut it on my first aid training and I have to do that for tomorrow. So that means we work on a 6-day cycle. So if it's training, if it's standby, it's still considered a day. So I will be on day 1 tomorrow, and then Tuesday, Saturday, I fly, which will be my day 2. It's just back to Land City and back. But yeah. So come with me to go and run. I'm gonna have some coffee that I'm gonna take with me, and I'm probably gonna buy me something to drink, like cold. And I'm thinking of going to go down in, what you call it, Sibuen? Just because the weather is amazing. And like, why not? But who knows? And if I do that, then I'm gonna get me a matcha. Nice to matcha. So yeah. So I'm at the Alphen. I haven't ran here in a while. I was gonna get matcha, but I didn't. I had to get some beer and Savannah's because my sister wants to go for a drink. She's leaving tomorrow. I can't stay out late, and yeah. So I'm just gonna go for a few hours and then I need to leave. But yeah. And they probably want to have like a drink before, so I got some savis and my dad wanted some beer, so I got that. I'm gonna go eat my nachos and then I'm gonna go down. So yeah, that's it. I already recorded on my phone, so let's resume to phone cam. Just had breakfast with my dad and my uncle because it's my uncle's birthday, as you will see. But yeah, I'm back in bed because I'm not feeling well. I'm off for 3 days, so yeah.
Across the balcony after curfew to the SEAL's room for some nookie, which means he would have popped a little blue.
guys, I just ran at the common. It was a good run, but I came on here to say, never give up on something you really want, and if you speak it into existence, it will come true. I've been wanting to get monetized to join the YouTube program. Yeah, since I started it, and I met the thresholds to like apply for it and for them to like review and verify your account. Did everything, sent it in for review like about 4 times, and all time each time they rejected me for some reason or not. And then yesterday, or no, the day before yesterday, I could reapply. And I reapplied just thinking like, if they reject me, they reject me. I'm gonna, wait the period out and then reapply again. And I did a 4 leg, so I worked all day. And then I was just on my phone, just checking my YouTube stats and stuff, and then it said, congratulations, you are in the program. So now I am a YouTube full-on creator now. And I'm excited, I'm happy for that. So don't give up on your dreams, guys, because it'll come true. Speak good into your life, speak it into existence, because you never know. So yeah, just my little TED talk for now. I'm gonna drive home and see what we're gonna have for supper. Sorry, I'm making coffee, but I got these sachets for work. Hopefully they taste good. I'm gonna try this one tomorrow. I'm sick again with the flu, but at least the hair's cut for tomorrow's flight. So it looks fresh. I'm just gonna run at the Alphen, because obviously I'm not well, so it's not gonna be like a long run. But you gotta move the body, so I think that's best. So yeah, come with me. Let's go. Change of plans. We are gonna go flip. Didn't get in the right gear. I'm gonna go down at the common. I think I need to work on my breathing work, so the common's the best place, because I'm just gonna give up easily at the Alphen. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. See you there. Got me a strawberry stinger and a health shot. Hopefully this will make me feel better. Why does people turn so freaking slow? Ugh, I turn, there's no cars in front of you. I'm gonna take the house shot with you guys. Ginger shot. Whew! Needed that ginger in my life. Hi guys, welcome to a new day on the vlog. I'm currently at the car wash, having my car washed. I was supposed to have matcha with Robin, but then she couldn't make it. So I decided I'm gonna go wash my car, give my car a little bit of a swirl. So yeah, just a little bit of an update. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but hopefully it's gonna be fun. I don't know. I hope so. It is 1:15 in the afternoon on a Friday, and I'm stuck in traffic. So annoying. It's the school pickup. Like these school kids, they just ruin everything. And nowadays they like so rude actually. Like when I was growing up, I was always told you greet your elders, and if we never done it and my mother was around, she would always like say, don't you greet? So like really like embarrass you, man. And that just always sticks in my head. So like I will just greet someone like if I see them, you know what I mean? And obviously my mom has a creche, and there's aftercare that comes to the creche, and they literally do not greet. They look at you in the face and they just like won't greet you until you greet them. And I find that so disrespectful. So the kids of today, rude bunch of bitches. Oh, I stopped at the liquor store after I washed my car to get some wine and some Savannas, because I'm gonna have a one-man party. Woohoo!